In this video, I will show you the simplest product I have ever sold on Etsy. I will show you the product itself, sales, reviews, and research with Everbee to see if it's currently in demand. Also, I will provide you all materials including Canva templates so you can sell it yourself. Okay, let's go. Have you heard the expression selling air? So, it's not really air, but very close, it's information. Playing around with Everbee, I found that all types of QR code products are quite popular. From personalized QR codes to QR code Instagram card Canva templates. Wait a minute, I thought, I have my own QR code generator on the MerchArts website. I created a few templates for Instagram and Google reviews, and some of them sell the next day. But doing research and reading reviews on competitors' listings, I found out that most people have no idea how simple it is to create a QR code by themselves. And that's the moment I got a crazy idea. What if I simply create a product with two links, one to my QR code generator, another one to the video that shows each feature of that generator. I quickly recorded the video and created a listing. So, here is the product listing. I clearly explained what exactly the customer will get and warned to read it carefully to make sure that there are no misunderstandings. When purchased, the customer receives this PDF with two links, one to the QR code generator on MerchArts, another to my YouTube video about that generator. That's the product. It's easy to come up with a product, but what about sales, you may ask? Here they are. The listing is 1 month old and it has 12 sales and 7 favorites. Moreover, it already has 2 5-star reviews. Sure, it's not something you will make millions with, but I know that some people don't get any sales on Etsy for months. Maybe this is a product to try to get the first sale and gain some traction. Is it in demand currently? Yes, it is. Let's do some quick research. Simple search query QR code. On this page is a mix of physical and downloadable products. Let's see this sign. It's a digital download despite the misleading photo. 829 sales. Another one with a misleading mock-up, looks like a framed print but actually it's just a downloadable print, 417 sales. Not bad. Here's mine, 11 sales. We know that I have 12 sales of this item, but Everbee is very close. Actually, the recent sale was yesterday, so maybe Everbee updates its database once a day and tomorrow it will show the correct number. Let's see this physical sign. 19 months old listing, 1,279 sales, $2,341 estimated monthly income, that's a good one. Digital download of customized QR code with logo, 142 sales, not bad. Wow, digital download QR code 1,240 sales, that's impressive. Here's a Canva template. You create one template and sell the link to it. All customization is done by the buyer. 134 sales, $325 monthly revenue. Another template, 287 sales. Such templates you can download on Creative Fabrica as many as you want. Look at this, a Klondike of templates. This one I saw on Etsy several times. Look, commercial and full pod usage allowed. It doesn't mean you can download and resell it on Etsy as is. But you can change icons QR code placement and then sell it on Etsy as an editable Canva template. It's great material to work with. Let's see more. Another one, a set of 3 templates, 379 sales. Canva template 4,492 sales, that's incredible. I love Everbee because I can check the sales to know if it's even worth starting working on a listing. As well, I can see the working keywords that make my further research a breeze. Instagram card that I mentioned previously, 2,152 sales. And again, it's a Canva template, make once and sell the link to it. QR code even not mentioned here. And look, here it is, the template we saw on Creative Fabrica. 171 sales. See? Exactly the same template, just the third sheet changed a bit. So, is there demand? Yes, absolutely. That's all for today, folks. Just joking. Of course, I remember that I promised you all materials to quickly create the same QR code listing as mine. Is there a catch? Sure there is. You will make sales, I will get traffic to my website, to the QR code generator to be precise. Pure traffic, no customer details or something else. That's the catch, nothing more. Another thing is that I'm thinking of closing my Etsy shop to focus on the Merch Arts website and channel. We'll see, I haven't decided 100% yet. So, in the video description, you'll find links to my Canva templates. You don't need a paid Canva account to access, edit and download them. A free Canva account is enough. I'll share links to the thank you page that is the product itself, to listing images, to the listing video, and to the listing content plus keywords I use. The things you have to do: change the QR codes. These codes lead to my Etsy shop, and I think that's not what you want. Change the codes so they direct to your Etsy shop. Remember, you have to create codes where the destination is anything Etsy. You can't create a listing image with a QR code that leads out of Etsy, for example to your website. I believe I don't have to say that those QR codes you can create on Merch Arts. And here, you can watch the video overview of all features and how it works. The next thing to change is the title and description. I don't care if you leave it as is, but it will be better for you not to copy the exact title and description. The listing video you can leave as is or edit it, it's up to you. It would be better if there were a link to your store in the video, but I believe no one will notice it. Or you can choose not to use the listing video at all. The thank you page you can 100% leave as is, there is nothing that leads to my shop. Here's the link to the QR generator, here's the link to the video, and this is a link to buyers' accounts where they can leave reviews for their purchases. I hope it will help you to gain some extra sales. I will be especially happy if it helps someone get their first sale. That's all for today, folks. No joking this time. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.